15! Nagpagupit siya kagay sa Marburg, tapos it costs 15 euro. So we can finance this vlog. Sabi doon, basta mga Bisaya, mga alipin. So ako, nasaktan ako kasi po, Bisaya ako, no?
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hello kagas! Welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Kagas. Wait lang, yung buong natin ay parang nag-fly away to the ocean, to the moon. Anyway, punta po tayo ngayon sa Westbahn or Anderdenhausen doon sa bahay ni Joey. Kasi parang matagal na ako hindi nakapunta-punta sa kanya. So it's my time. I think almost 3 months na. Oh, 3 months or 2 months. Kasi hindi man ako nakagala-gala dati. Kasi yung mga parents ko, nagbakasyon sila ng ilang buwan ba yun. So ngayon, ako na naman. Oy, doon. Cheers! Si Dad Egbert. On the mandags nog nicht da? So, bis Sonntag. Danke. Ayan siya, Philpas. Yeah, Filigruse daw. Joey Filigruse. So, ayan yung si Dad Egbert kasi po, may ginagawa niya siya sa mobile home or Wohnmobil. Ihatid po ako ng parent lang. Uber? Hinten? Kumana to dito. Wow, my daddy have a new hair.
Ich hab ganz neues Barbershop und du wirst es nicht glauben, der ist 6 Euro günstiger als der hier in Lars.
Wie viel kostet es in Marburg?
15 Euro.
15! Nagpagupit siya kagay sa Marburg, tapos it costs 15 euro. Oh. Tapos dito kasi sa Badlaasper it costs 21 euros. So ano pa siya, galing kasi siya sa Marburg, may pinuntahan siya. He went to Marburg before, today, and then ngayon, he will drive me to the train station.
I'm the private taxi in Bad Larsville.
Nee, du bist mein Uber.
Ja.
Uber.
Ja,
You are my Uber.
Uber Daddy.
Do you know Uber?
Ja, Uber.
Yeah, Uber. So anyway, thank you.
Oh.
Filigruse for Joey.
Congress.
Wow. Look at my clothes here. It's
Broken.
yeah, this is
Too hot.
too hot.
It's not too hot.
Okay.
In the afternoon we've got rain and tomorrow it's cold. Much
Yeah.
colder than
Ito oh. Kasi itong sakyan ni Egbert itong sakyan niya ay ano to, sensitive look. Ito ay walang sounds pero ganoon ko lang siya, magka-volume to, ganoon ha, wait lang. No, meron no. Tapos ganoon ulit. Ganoon ulit. Ganoon lang siya, sensitive kasi siya.
Oliver is a playboy.
Playboy. Yeah, this is sensitive.
Yes, it's
sensitive.
Look,
Okay, look.
right over here. Wow.
Look, you turn off again. Hey! So turn off like that. Volume down like this. Ganon lang siya ka, guys. Very sensitive and very nice. BMW.
Das ist Gestensteuerung. You make a Geste. I don't know what's in English.
Connection to your...
Then the radio want to hear you.
Yeah.
Guck mal, was hier los ist.
Guys, dito na ako sa train going to Marburg. Tapos Marburg, magbaba ako doon going to Frankfurt. Tapos Frankfurt to Wiesbaden. Wait lang.
Nächste Station Bad Larsville, Niederlassville, Bedarfshalt. Bei Haltewunsch.
Si Joey po nakatira sa Anderdenhausen. Ano siya? Part siya ng Wiesbaden. Ilang minutes lang siya doon, pero sabi ni Joey, magkita muna daw kami ngayon sa Wiesbaden mamaya pala kasi gusto niya mag-sightseeing, nakasama ako para makagawa siya ng cinematic vlog. Ako din, maka-vlog ako doon. Tapos, yan, doon kami magkita-kita. Tapos doon rin kami mag-dinner. And then, mamayang gabi na kami pupunta sa bahay niya. So, yun ang sabi niya. So sabi ko, sige, go para mapakita natin sa Cagays ang mga view ulit. Diba? Ang labas ngayon ba, super init. Pero dito sa loob ng train na to ay malamig. Kaya nagustuhan ko. Kasi kung hindi to malamig, kung hindi naka-aircon, turn ko na ang aircon ngayon. Kasi kung hindi naka-turn on ang aircon ngayon dito, ginoo ko, baka pinapawisan na ako ng malaking malaki yan sa ante, oh. Ayan sa ante. Wow. Hi, I am here now in Wiesbaden with Andy. With Joey. Oh, Joey, Andy, Oli, mit Epsilon. Ovi. Igby. So, what are we going?
Security.
So, what are we going to do in here?
I transfer your package, your bag, to my car. Then we can go in the city of Wiesbaden. I can show you the Weinfest. There's a party where you can drink wine, and we're going for ice cream. It's a very nice city here in Wiesbaden, and we have beautiful weather, so let's go.
So, where is your auto?
Wir müssen hier einmal um die Ecke.
Yeah. So, punta kami sa ano ni Joey. Sasakyan niya kung saan po siya naka-parking para ilagay ko tong bag na to para makagala-gala kami at saka yung backpack ko hindi ko to nadalhin. We're saving money, no?
Yeah. It's important here in Germany.
Yeah, you did.
In Germany you pay €3 per hour for parking. Or 2 euros. It's expensive, I think. And yeah, you can save money if you park in a normal street.
My God, ang layo pala ng kung saan siya nakapark. Why is it so far from the train station?
I said to you, save money.
My God. Because he wants to save money, we walk 5 minutes or 10. It's so far from train station, but there's a lot of parking lot there.
Here so far because you needed to go on toilet.
Are you going to pay here or Kostenlos?
Free.
It's free. Kaya pala dito siya nakapark si Joey kasi it's free. That's why you park here.
Yeah, this is a secret street.
Nobody knows about it, but look at the autos.
Yeah, but here, guck mal, das ist the train station. 1 minute.
Okay, he said nobody knows about this, but there's a lot of autos.
Yeah, a lot of
parking.
autos, but normally, if anybody in Wiesbaden would know this, then it would be full here. And always a parking auto.
So that's why nobody knows about it. That's why no autos. Look
here, you're free.
You're free. Wow! Look at the view. Look. Blue sky, no? With sun. Look here. My camera. My camera.
Wow. Das ist die neue, die du geschenkt bekommen hast, richtig? Ja. Niemand schenkt mir.
Noch nicht.
Das ist der Train Main Station. Das ist Montagmittag wieder. Nicht von unten filmen, das ist der unvorteilhaft. Aber danke.
Nicht immer Rekla. Look here.
Ja, sehr schön.
Do you want to say something?
I want to say stop because
yan po guys ay ano po pala yan. Itong nakita nyo po sa harapan ngayon, yan po ay isang train station. Malaking train station dito sa Wiesbaden. At saka harapan naman nito ay park. This is the
Cool Park Wiesbaden.
ah, this is the core park. So this is the in front of the train station is the core park.
I think this is the name, yeah. Nee, not Cool Park.
Einfach Park.
This is Einfach Park, yeah.
Wow, look
Cool
here.
Park ist woanders.
Hello, baby. I want to swim. Joey, I want to swim there.
Ja, mach.
Look, I want to swim there. There. Over there, there's a fountain. A little fountain, no? So, Wiesbaden is the capital city of Hessen.
Yes, Hesse.
Wiesbaden is the capital city of Hessen. Hessen ay isang stad. For example, sa atin may Cebu, may Bohol. I mean, sa atin may Visayas pala, may Luzon, may Mindanao. Kung ano yung capital city sa atin diyan. So dito naman Hessen, Northern Westfalen. Ako taga Northern Westfalen, ako si Joey at taga Hessen. So ito yung capital city at saka Frankfurt is part of Hessen. Pero ang capital city ay Wiesbaden. Ang Frankfurt ay ano lang siya, sikat lang siya dahil po may Frankfurt at saka merong airport. Kaya sikat siya. Look guys, ito mga bush dito oh. Park po ito. Wow, look there. Haitian wild rabbits. You can see it there.
Wow.
Look there. May repulyo doon.
I think we need to zoom in.
Look, there's a lot of bushes. Bush. We can go here. Wow, guys. Sino ito? Pwede tayo mag-aratanay dire guys oh. Dito may nakita ko dito na ano, wait lang. Uy, ayan siya oh. Kita nyo? Kumakain siya. I-zoom ko nga para makita nyo. Wild rabbits. Wild. You know, hello. Hello, Shen. Hi. Yeah. What are you eating there? Uy. Uy.
I think this is a Zwergkaninchen.
Kaninchen. You have also rabbits, no?
My father, but
Kala ko repulyo, gulay. Ano to, repulyo ba talaga to? Parang wala lang siya nangyayari. Snokda? Ang ganda naman dito na park. Uy, maraming bushes. You know? It's a baby. It's a baby like me. How's your life?
I'm fine, but I think I need a little bit to eat.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
Vlog. We're
vlog.
vlogging back to back.
Double vlog. Double content of YouTube.
We need to vlog. Kasi,
But my vlog is English and your vlog is Tagalog.
yeah. We need to vlog so we can finance this vlog. You are writing there. Please don't skip the ad so we can finance this vlog.
Good, gell?
Yeah. He's writing in his vlog that.
And
Please
Mommy Mel commented
Yeah.
in my video. I like your vlogs because you know where the ads are.
Oi.
Oi.
Ay. Sagma, oi.
Oi.
Falsch.
Oi. Siggi.
Sige. So where are we? So wo gehen wir jetzt?
This is the main.
Where are we going now? Ah, this is the main. Ah, this is the main Mendoza. Huh? So this is the main city of...
Yeah, the middle of the city. There we have the wine party, wine fest. Stimmt.
Wine festival.
Yeah, wine festival. I was never been there.
Okay.
Because it's not mine. I don't drink alcohol, you know. But we can watch this.
Okay.
Let's try.
Naghahanap po.
Welcome back to another vlog.
Naghahanap po kami ni Joey ng pagkainan. We're looking for Asia restaurant, no?
Sumayon.
Joey wants to eat pizza. And I said, no pizza, no pizza. Only rice, only rice.
I don't have a chance against this Filipino. Only rice.
No
Breakfast,
pizza.
lunch.
No pizza. Only rice, only
And
rice.
then we was before in a Japanese restaurant, but we didn't eat there because they don't have rice.
No, they have rice, but there's no. There's a gebratene rice.
Yeah,
Rice
the
din.
rice.
Yung nilagang, yung rice na ano ba, ginisang is rice, gusto niya kasi yon. Tapos tofu, wala man yun. Kaya bumili lang kami doon ng Coke. Your favorite is gebratene rice?
Yeah.
Ginisang ano ba, yung bahaw?
I also eat this. You know this.
Yeah. But why the restaurant there don't know that?
Yeah.
They don't have. They don't
For
have.
Japanese restaurant is komisch, gell?
I don't know.
Eigentlich müsst ihr gebratenen Reis haben. Aber I think this is more Asia or more Chinese rice.
There is only Japan.
But did you see the nori, the sushi? It was fantastic.
No.
Here's the Chinese restaurant.
I want to show it. Guys, nandito kami sa mall.
This is our mall in Wiesbaden. Yeah.
What is the name?
Luisenforum.
What is the name again?
Luisenforum.
But not so big, no? Not look.
It's not so big like in Frankfurt.
And the people, there's not a lot of people, no? Oder?
Ziemlich leer because we have two malls here. We were there in the train station. And this
that's out.
it's a little bit too much for. Small Ollie is hungry.
I'm hungry. Always hungry.
Ist noch ein paar Frühlingsrollen für mich mit,
Oh, Frühlings wieder.
falls du noch Platz hast auf dem Teller.
Wie viel?
So viele wie drauf passen. You need to pay for one plate, 10 euro. So that's why you can make it full.
One plate, 9 euros. It's like buffet, but
10.
10. So you can make 4. You brought any rice?
Ja,
Genau.
Wochenbrei mit Wäsche.
Mit welche auch? Mit welche?
Und welche war's?
Gibati ni rice mit was?
Mit Tofu hatte ich.
Mit Tofu, okay.
Guys, dito po sa mall na to, meron silang buffet. Yung sinasabi kanina ni Joey na ito, isang plate, it costs 10 euro ito. Buffet siya, pero isang beses ka lang kumuha dapat. Kukuha. So, sa isang plate, may rice na yan, tapos punuin. Dapat puno. Lagyan mo lahat. Dapat punuin mo yung plate na kung anong gusto mong ilagay. Meron ako itong Chicken Joy. Chicken Joy, fried chicken, gulay, curry, spring rolls na vegetable. Basta lang kung kaya mo lang, ilagay mo lang lahat. Tapos once ka lang kukuha. Kunwari, maubos na to. Diba ang buffet? Kapag maubos, kuha ka ulit. Dito, once lang. Kapag maubos na, hindi ka na kukuha ulit. Yun na yun. Ano ka na, finish ka na. So, sabi ni Joey, Oliver, put everything. Nila, put everything din talaga ako. But he get my spring rolls. You cannot get spring rolls there. So, I paid, ano lahat pala to? 10 euro, tapos plus drinks din. Kay Joey ay bumili siya ng, hindi siya nag-buffet kasi vegan man siya. Vegetarish. So, ang kinuha niya, bumili siya ng gebatine rice. So, yung sinangag na rice at saka tofu. Joey, Joey, please don't jump. Please don't jump. Please don't jump. Please.
Okay, okay.
Please don't jump. Please.
Senseless to jump out of the first floor.
Please don't jump. A lot of friends miss you.
I don't have friends.
Hey friends of YouTube.
My YouTube friends. Because I have 2,000 subscribers.
That's why we need to make party.
And I need a Luftballon.
Yeah.
Airballoon.
And then we need to put in the air. And then
Ich glaube, den gibt's hier nicht. Den müssen wir unten holen.
yeah.
Bei Teddy.
So we're going to look a balloons or Luftballons na yung may 2,000 or 2K para mag-celebrate siya ng 2K niya na subscribers.
Yay.
Thank you ka guys and friends for supporting.
Yeah. Please subscribe.
And don't skip the
And-
ads. Naghanap po ngayon si Joey ng Luftballon na 30 years old. 30 years old. 2,000 years old.
Auch Luftballon, oder?
2 und dann K.
Ja, das gibt's aber nicht. Muss man wahrscheinlich mit dem Edding selbst drauf.
Einfach so weiter. Need to look. Ah, hier. Kennst du die? Ping Pong.
Ja, ja. Yeah.
And who will come to your party?
Mommy Rose. My cousin, my brother, my parents, you,
Harvey.
Harvey, Mommy Rose,
Yeah. The family of Mami Rose.
family of Mommy Rose,
Raquela also the sister. And Harvey's family.
Harry,
But my parents will not come.
no,
Only.
Uwe Neckber don't like me.
Oh. Si Joey, oh. Wow! Eyes. Blue eyes. Dankeschön. Ja, zusammen bitte.
Ein Hörnchen mit 2 welchen bitte? Ja, ja.
Danke, Joey. Danke. Ja?
Mag ich nie.
Das ist nicht Malaga.
Mango man.
Mango und Kokosnuss.
I like mango in every form, but not in ice cream.
I have mango and cocos. And you? What do you have?
Malaga and Snickers.
Thank you, Joey, for this ice. I want spaghetti ice, but when I saw the price, I don't like now. It's expensive here.
2 euros, one ball.
1 cuchara.
Kuchara.
Cuchara is Spanish word. Cheers.
The Man of Teddy.
The man of the hour.
Und dann hätte mich fast mit so einem Rollwagen gebracht.
Yeah. So we are going back home now because
Back home.
Back home.
Listen, back home.
What did you say? So, because Joey wants to back home. Joey wants to come back home because he don't like the Vine Fest. He said there's a lot of people, a lot of drunken people, and no space. Then he said, Oli, do you want to come back home now?
And what did you say?
Okay, because I can see his face that he's not enjoying because of the music.
And you?
I love the music. I love the band.
You enjoy it? Yeah, let's go back.
Yeah,
Yeah, why?
because I can feel that I am tired also.
Aha. Also
Ate
not
Kragot.
always me.
Not always. Ate kinagot to para di siya masuko. Evening, Joey.
Hi
And you?
vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi, vlog. Guys, look, the moon. Wow, it's bigger now. Guys, tingnan niyo po yung moon. Oh, nakita niyo po ba? Karong-klaro dito sa park. Ito. Wow, look at the moon. The moon in the earth, in the heaven, in the clouds. Behind the scene.
Cinematic.
Yeah. Cinematic. Wow. Oh, look here. Tingnan niyo po guys, oh. Nagbabagang balita. Ito, dyan may daan din doon at saka dito. Wow, it's nice here. So nice, the color.
It's not under energy. Ja, seit vorgestern schon. Since yesterday, Olli is model. Friend, do you hear this?
Kagayas na rin nyo ba ngayon? Ngayon ay isang mga ibon. Mga papagay. Ayan, oh, itong puno na yan, maraming papagay. Puno-puno ng papagay. Woo! Sa video. Oh, yeah. Hey. Da.
Ja, das waren immer mehr. Wow. If I want, I can hold the camera on him. Das ist aber nett. Oh, ist schon dark. Dabei waren wir nur 10 Minuten im Aldi.
We're going back home.
Yeah, we have the problem. The soccer game here in the city Wiesbaden is over. Mainz against SV Wehen. Right side, please. And now it's full here. And Mainz won.
Mainz.
But I don't know why Mainz is not playing in Mainz.
We bought something in the supermarket.
Aldi.
Grocery, because Joey told me he don't have food anymore
Yeah.
in his refrigerator.
This is
a problem, no?
This is a problem also for Cookie, my dog, because Cookie is always come to me and she makes hungry. I don't have anything, and the dog is mad. She's mad.
Sad.
Sad, yeah.
Cookie is sad.
Sad. Because
I'll bring your grocery because I'm a good boy.
Yeah, I have no food for her. Was denn? Stimmt doch, oder?
Hello, andito na po kami ngayon sa bahay ni Joey. We are now in the house of Joey and he drove safely. Tanungin ko lang din po si Joey kung ano ang masasabi niya. I want to ask you of what you can say because someone commented on my vlog. Because someone commented on my vlog and then it says it says that because for me it's very hurt It's very
Very
hurt. Ang magmahal ng ganito. It's very hurt. Schmerzen.
Painful.
Yeah.
Why?
Painful because this person commented on my vlog and she said there, or he said, or she said, I don't know if she's a man or a woman. I live in the Philippines. I was born in the Philippines, so we have a lot of dialect, no?
Tagalog and
Bisaya.
I know.
Tagalog, Bisaya, Ilocano.
And Spanish, I know since 2 hours.
Yeah. So I am Bisaya, no? And then someone commented, because in behalf of my Bisaya friends, family, relatives, or others, because this person commented that all the Bisaya are slave. Sabi doon, basta mga Bisaya, mga alipin. So ako, nasaktan ako kasi po, Bisaya ako, no? Sabi ko, bak, nilalahat niya, at saka wala din siyang karapatan noon na magsabi na alipin kami, alipin ng Bisaya. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi naman totoo. Sa totoo lang, kung alipin man kami, kasi po kailangan kami ng pera. At least nagtrabaho kami na maganda, wala inapakan na tao, nakapera kami noon.
I don't
This
understand
person
you.
commented that Bisaya are, what is that in German? Esclave.
Yeah, Sklaven, slaves. I know.
Yeah.
And
For me is painful because I am Bisaya. This person commented all the Bisaya,
slaves of what? From
Yeah.
what?
all the Bisaya people are slave.
Huh?
Yeah.
Delete this comment and
But as some of my friends saw it, Mami Rose saw it, Kitty Jane saw it, they replied this person, Griselda saw it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why?
That's why it's really hurt for me because I am Bisaya, you know.
You have so much comments. Why you delete this? Not this comment and
I pinned his or her or
pinned.
his.
Why?
So
You
we
need to delete this comment.
no, we need
This is not.
no, because if I delete it, I need to address this also, this situation, because if I delete it, she or this person commented every time, always at the same time, at the same comment, and for me it's very painful.
the same comment every time.
Sometimes
Is that you're a slave or a slave Bisaya?
Allah, yeah. What can you say that the Bisaya are slave?
I don't know your culture and this so good. I don't know this. But I know you are not a slave, Mami Rose is not a slave, so...
Because somebody is Bisaya also.
What can I do in this situation now?
So what can you say? What can you give an advice to this person? Because this
Yeah,
person
this is your culture.
Yeah.
I can't say anything
Okay,
about
then.
this. Sorry, what?
Okay, so you are not the right person.
Wrong
to
address,
talk to.
yeah.
For me, parang ang sakit, no? Parang tayo mga Bisaya, ako Bisaya, parang masaktan tayo na masabihan tayo nandun kasi parang ano yun, parang racist, like racist, no?
Yeah.
No?
Also, if it's not true, then yeah.
Yeah, it's racist because
But I don't know, maybe he don't have idea, he is blinded.
maybe this person is just jealous whatsoever. Eifersüchtig. Because if you're a good person, no? If you're a good person, a lot of people loves you, your family loves you, or if you have children loves you, you cannot comment something like this because people loves you. So it shows your characters, your attitude, you know.
Yeah. You know,
Maybe nobody loves her.
yeah, that's maybe true because there is a psycho.
Yeah, psycho.
There's a psycho test. If you make negative comments, your life is also negative.
It attracts.
This is Psychologik. Also es ist nachgewiesen. Es gibt tatsächlich psychologische Studien. Ja. But it's not nice.
It's not. Yeah, it's not nice.
And this was often this comment.
Yeah.
Not nice.
I have read there that don't live to work. Don't live to work, just work to live. What do you mean? Do you know what I mean?
No. Don't work to live.
Don't live. Live like leben.
Ach, live. Okay.
Yeah, don't live just to work. but work just to live. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know?
yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's
yeah.
say don't live just for work. So no happy, no party, because just work. So sons just work to live. So you need to work just so you will survive.
Yeah,
so you will have parties sometimes, or you can buy this, buy that, just work.
Yeah, here in Germany we have a 40 hours job, 40 hours a week job, and this is a lot of time. I think in USA it's the same, 40 or 45 hours a week. And if you don't like what you do every day,
yeah, then you can finish your job and then find another job that you are happy.
Yeah, but this is another subject.
Yeah, so that means work to live, not live to work. No,
that's nice.
Yeah. So yeah,
but I would not give him promotion for this topic.
Yeah, but
just
please,
to this user.
Please, I am Bisaya. Please don't comment something like this, because just go. We are not permanent in this world. No, just love. If you don't comment something good, just don't comment. Just stop. No.
Yeah.
Maybe this person's like just to comment, just to hurt us, just to hurt my feelings, my It's okay that they will bash me for only me, but not my friends, not my surroundings, not my family.
This is social media.
Yeah, if they bash me, it's okay, but if they will bash my family, my friends, I think that's not good. No? Please, and yeah, just love and spread kindness. To all of our
animation.
Anyway,
hard animation.
Butterfly. So guys, I am going to end this vlog. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also subscribe Joey Reading Hall, because he reached 2,000 subscribers.
Woo! Yeah, thank you very much.
His plan is to reach 5,000 this year. So
that's our target.
Let's make it.
Let's target,
make it.
And and you don't be mad against comments. I said you in the face reveal video what we have done. I never was on.
I'm not mad, I'm just sad.
That's the same for me.
It's not the same. Mad is like
yeah, okay, but
sad is like, why you do this?
But it makes you cry. It makes
sad
you
is
sad.
also sad. Sad is sad. Mad is
yeah, but you know what I
explosion.
mean. Yeah, you have a bad mood in this.
Yeah, God loves you. God loves you. So God bless us all, everyone. Cheers. Cheers, Joey. Oh, there's a light, so we'll make another.
Huh?
Let's repeat it again.
Was?
What we said, because here we have a light here. There we don't have light.
Das ist perfekt gewesen.
That's okay.
Bye.